crap. I've had more issues with that drone than anything, man. I was flying it and it just freaking took off out of nowhere and slammed into this giant cement pole right here. Crashed down to the ground and tore all the motors off of it. Well, pretty much all of them. But, oh well. Hey guys, this is how my day has started. It's a Holy Stone 710, by the way. So yeah, I've had quite a few questions regarding the tires I put on this car compared to the stock Goodyear Eagle F1s and some other choices, aftermarket choices like Continentals and things like that, Michelins. So yeah, we're gonna jump straight into this and let you know what I think about these tires here, and I'll get some action shots hopefully. So let's jump in. So we're gonna jump straight in, start with the rears here and let you know what tires I'm running first, then we'll jump into some performance stuff. So these are Lexani's LX20s. They're 305 30 ZR20s, 103Y XLs for the rears. As you can see, very, very short sidewall here. Let's move to the front. So yeah, the same thing for the front here, just a smaller size. Lexani LX20s, 285 30 ZR20, 99W XL speed rating there. So yeah, as you can see, same small sidewall here. Stock on this car, let's get on this side because that thing is loud over there. Stock on this car was on the front was 245s, 35 ZR20s, and the back was 285 35 ZR20s, I believe. It's been a while. So yeah, I decided to go 285 and 305, which is the 1LE setup. And guys, the stance is so much better. The only thing I wish though, I kind of wish I would have went with 35 here because this gap's a little too wide. Put some lowering springs on it one day, but that'll fix that. No issues with these tires, except for literally like 4 days ago. Had a nail in my tire and plugged it. These are tubeless tires here. So I plugged it in the garage. So for a cheap performance tire, I do have to say, they grip a lot better than the stock Goodyear Eagle F1s that came on this car. Much, much better, honestly. And probably some of that's due to the wider tire in the rear. But I'm gonna throw in those takeoff clips here. When I say cheap, I mean like, it's popping up on the screen here. I think I paid at the time of purchase like $194 per rear tire, something like that, and like $160, $166 per tire for the front here. So not bad at all. So if you ever have an issue with one of these tires, you know, it's not going to cost an arm and a leg to have them replaced. Now, the one thing I have noticed that may be a con for these tires compared to the stock ones is the sidewall here. It's a little bit softer sidewall, so when you get to higher speeds, it seems like, you know, if you turn and stuff, it does kind of fish a little bit. Not the whole, you know, ass end of the car, just it is a little, what's the word I'm looking for? It sways a little more than the stock tires does, but that don't matter to me, guys. They honestly ride a lot better than the stock ones, in my opinion. Just look at the stance of this thing. It's so much better. Another question that gets asked a lot is there any rubbing issues? None. So a lot of times what you have to do is move this wiring harness up in here so you don't rub. But I haven't had any issues with these. Once again, these are 305s, 30 ZR20s, and I haven't had any issues personally. God, I can't get over that stance. And I can't get over that my drone just smashed into the pole. So now I'm gonna throw in some really cool shots for y'all so y'all can see the tires in action here. Sun's starting to go down, so my lighting isn't the same. The car is starting to get like a reddish tint to it here. Let's go ahead and get some of those before it gets dark. One more time for me. That thing is badass, man. Badass. Oh my God. Gosh, damn. Now we're going to get that good takeoff video here from the cabin. Just show you that these tires grip really well compared to the stock Goodyears. Straight line, no kind of veering off or anything like that. It's just beautiful, perfect straight line. It grips so good. So I guess the question at the end of this video would be the questions. Am I happy with the purchase of these cheap performance tires? Once again, they're Lexani LX20s. And would I go back to the Goodyears or another tire, possibly? So I paid like $700 for a whole set, which isn't bad. And honestly, guys, I love them a lot more than the Goodyears. I do not like the Goodyears that come stock on these cars. So I could go try another tire, but like 3 or 4 times the price of these. And honestly, these have been great so far. I've had them on the car for a few thousand miles and no issues other than, you know, running over the nail somewhere, picking that nail up. So yeah, I mean, if you don't want to spend an arm and leg on a pretty good performance tire, consider go picking up the Lexani LX20s. Actually seeing a ZL1 on YouTube that actually uses these tires as well, and he really likes them as well. So feel free to go pick some up, check them out. Maybe you'll like them, and you know. So I want to thank you guys for clicking and watching this video like always. And if you're new here or you like the video or want to simply support the channel, be sure to go down below and absolutely smash that like and subscribe button, and go ahead and hit the notification bell as well. So appreciate y'all watching. Got more content on the way. Until next time, have fun driving, be safe, you know, have fun, mod. Peace out.